Alright, we're at Fuji Speedway right now. As you could hear, met some guys last night at Boost Star 69. It's pretty cool guys. Tried some sim racing for the first time. Very odd. There's like no sense of speed or any sort of G's, so I kept crashing. But they invited me to come and watch and do ride-alongs and whatnot at Fuji Speedway with them tomorrow. So I'm like, why not? Now I'm here. And so yeah, let's get to it. Clear day. You were able to see Mount Fuji. You can see it through the trees, but we'll see more about Fuji. It's up today, out and bright. And this track is huge. Like I was a little lost, I'm not gonna lie, at the entrance. But we're back to it. Just walked up a big hill, so I'm a little out of breath. First time here. And yeah, let's get to it. All right, I'm sure you can see in the back, but this track's crazy. This is pretty sick. You got Fuji over there, out today. Good like view. I've seen this in videos so many times, but first time seeing it in person, and it's pretty sick, pretty happy to see. I think I'm heading the right way, and I also think I hear those guys at the van, the racers, playing the song, I'm not cute anymore. You know the song. Or I'm hearing things and going delusional. Both are very viable. Very, very possible. Yeah, let's get there to the actual track, and I'll get back to you guys. Not sure how well you guys can hear me, but if you remember, I met not that guy, but that guy at that in the previous video that I'll put up at the top right now. But yeah, I didn't know he was here, and yeah, pretty sick. This is the guy that invited me, and this is the car I'm heading back home in. It's pretty good time so far. Had a little bit of a blowout. Let's get it. Learning some new track words in Japanese. I haven't fact checked it to see if they're. Oh, that's where I'm riding it. Oh. Obviously, I'm not in it right now. They're sharing it, and when Kaido from Boost Stars goes, I go in it. So that guy's a slam. This is the high level entry, I think. Well, advanced, that's what it is. Alright, we got 3 coming. It up. I really do like this like pink purple car here. No more work. Car died on the track, so everyone stopped. Oh, looks like it's open again. Some damage was found. Look at that. The lower control arm is well, needs reinforcement now. Alright, as I'm editing this video, obviously I'm back home in America. But yeah, as I'm editing this video, I realized I did not record an outro. If I recall, we ended up getting kind of caught up because we had like probably a group of like 8-ish people. And one of the cars on the way back home, well, couldn't go drive anymore. Yeah, as you saw, I ended up cracking the lower control arm. We went to try to like test drive it on one of the streets by Fuji Speedway, and the camera just kept going positive. Not a good thing. It was like increasingly just like falling on its face as you drove it. So it is what it is. But yeah, so we ended up getting caught up in that and all that. I just ended up forgetting to record an outro. So yeah, I did have a lot of fun this track day. I ended up like not recording a lot. I was going to record pit walk, but then I got called over to do some ride-alongs. As you saw, I ran into Ricky. He's that guy with the 180SX. I recall off the top of my head. But yeah, so yeah, just more of enjoying the day and whatnot. And so that's why this video is a little bit shorter than normal. But I hope you guys liked it. If you did, click the like button. And subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. I should be home in the next video. So good stuff. Good stuff. Let's get it.